This exercise is for the left hand only and is all about octaves. If you have small hands, do not overstretch your hands. Playing the piano must not be painful. Just be kind to your hands and your hands will be kind to you. During this course, your hands will get wider. Stretch your hand as far as possible without pain. It's important to practice this exercise daily if at this point you can't reach the octave. You have to train your muscles to be able to reach an octave. It helps if you use your wrist in this movement and move your fingers to the next position while you are playing. Let me try to make this a little more clear. So, first you play a low A with your pinky, and then you kind of imagine that there is a small ball in your hand, and you roll with your hand over that ball and reach for a higher A with your thumb. Do the same with the F. Then, while you are playing F with your thumb, you move your pinky to C. So when it's time to play C, your pinky is already there. And then imagine that small ball in your hands again to reach a higher C with your thumb. Now you're ready to practice exercise 8B at 30 BPM. I'll get back to you after you did exercise 8B at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.